Well, howdy, howdy everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day today so far. It's another somewhat warm January day. It's a little windy out. I think right now, or when I left the house, I think the thermometer said that temperature was sitting right at 0 or 1 degrees. So it's not a real balmy day, but it's warm enough to try going for a quick little ride. Try to do a little video anyway. Really all I'm planning on going, like this isn't going to be a long journey. Probably all I'm going to do is just run into one of the towns nearby and top the bike up with fuel and most likely just come back. And possibly when I'm at the gas station, I'll maybe give you guys a better look of how these like side cases I put on like mount and everything and how they work. But on the same day I put the side cases on the bike, I put on new hand grips because the other ones were they were getting pretty thin. They were pretty gosh darn worn out. That is for sure. I put these new grips on. They're like the Pro Taper pillow tops. They're supposed to be like a grippy outside and then like a vibration reducing inside, like middle part. And then the core is supposed to be some kind of like wear resistant something or other so they don't wear out really quick. I don't know. I figured I'd try them out anyway. I also bought these super high quality hand guards here. I got them off of like Amazon for like $8. And I really didn't get them to like protect my hands from like trees and crap like that. Like they're not a bark buster. But I was hoping that they'd like just kind of give my hands some wind protection. Because in cold weather like this, your hands can get a little chilly. And I thought even just this might give me some protection from the wind. Like I guarantee you if I ever drop it and these ever hit the ground, or these hit on anything, they're going to break instantly. Because they're so like, well, they're really cheap. You can see how they just like bounce. But we'll see how they work, I guess. So I know in that last video I tried to quickly throw together that one day after work. I was talking about how I've been like working on picking up camping equipment. Something I was thinking of doing is once I get the stuff I ordered that comes in, I kind of get some stuff organized. I was thinking I might do a video kind of showing you how I might pack some of this stuff and some of the gear I bought for my first trip to go out motorbike camping, because I can do that video like just inside my house. You know, doesn't really matter how cold it is outside. I can just kind of lay everything out, go through what I have, tell you what I got and why I got it, and that kind of stuff. So that's another thing I was thinking of doing. I don't know if you guys would be interested in seeing that. If you guys would like to see a video of like the gear I bought for camping, let me know in the comments, I guess. And I'll try to check the comments and see what the consensus is. If you guys want to see that video or just stick to just the bike videos. I think this person wants me to pass them, but I'm really not that big of a rush. But I can't wait for spring to roll around where I can go down all the gravel roads, because like all these gravel roads out here, they're all like ice covered and sheer ice. Well, that was awkward. My audio cable for my GoPro either was never plugged in or came disconnected. Can I just get a Boston cream donut, please?
Sorry, sir, we only have the Canadian maple. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Anything else?
No, that should be it.
Alright, $1.25 for the black car on your right.
Alright, sounds good.
Okay, thank you so much.
And then could I get the coffee for the guy behind me?
Sorry?
Can I get the whatever order for the guy behind me too?
I'm sorry, what?
Can I get the order for the guy behind me too?
Yeah, sure. So you're the Canadian maple though?
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. You too, thanks. Easy with the clutch, there we go. Donut in my hand. There we go. I got the grub for the guy behind me and my donut. Whew. Well, that was a pretty good donut. I feel stupid. I don't know where, but at some point on my way on my travels to get to this Tim Hortons, my the audio cable going from the microphone to the GoPro decided to disconnect. But luckily, I noticed while I was in the drive-thru, so I don't know how much other audio I can use, but whatever. Might as well start moseying back home. So yeah, I just took the bike through a drive-thru for the first time I've ever done that. I don't know, I was cruising around and figured I'd stop by Tim Hortons there. And I know there's been once in the past where I went through the drive-thru and the person in front of me bought my coffee. And I'm like, well, you know what? I've seen other people do these videos of like buying coffees and stuff, and like I kind of like that. I like kind of brightening people's day if I can. I haven't done a lot of it, but I'd like to do more of it. So that's why I figured while I was on the bike in town at time, I figured I'd go through the drive-thru. I just got myself a donut, so I was actually getting something. And then I got the ladies behind me's coffee when I was at the window there. And you guys didn't see it because I literally just took the helmet off as she was leaving the drive-thru. But she saw where I parked and gave me a little wave as she drove by, and I hope it made her day. I don't know, I'd like to do more of that stuff, kind of random acts of kindness. I think it's a good thing to do. This road ahead looks a little icy, but it looks like there's like a paved pathway through the middle of it where people have been driving. So hopefully that goes all the way through. I'm hoping. It looks like we might be alright. Oh yeah, we're golden. Golden, pony boy. Oh, that dude's pedaling that. He's pedaling hard. Or he was. See, this is the easier way to doing it. Put a motor instead of those pedals, and then you're golden. Way more fun having a motor than pedals. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video, and if not, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace. That's why I don't like the icy ground. You turn a little bit, and then she's over. Like, I can't even pick it up. It just slides. Oh, my toolkit came open. See, it's like just ice. I dropped it. Toolkit, back in. It probably doesn't help that I was just going down at like road speeds on pavement. My tires are a little warm. I'm sure that doesn't help the situation, having warm tires on that. Oh, I bent this piece. Or did I? I don't know. It looks a little goofed. Let me go back in. Go back in. Yeah, there we go. I guess if you guys haven't seen it, this is a highway peg and tool tube and lights. I just wanted to get over there. Oopsie poopsie.